Place the stand on an even, flat surface and attach the Proto M by sliding it into place. Use the Allen wrench and screw to secure the unit to the stand. To change the orientation, pull the latch on the back and rotate the M 90 degrees. Slide the security cover open to use the front-facing camera. Connect power to the back of the unit. Once the M is on, use the touchscreen to connect to your network. In just a few moments, your screen will display a registration code. Use Proto Cloud to pair the device to your account. Use the buttons on the side to control volume or power. You are now ready to play content or beam to the M.